Are you ready to transform your kitchen game? Welcome to Tech Up, where we explore the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today we've got something special for all the home chefs and gadget lovers out there. We're diving into 10 kitchen gadgets that will not only make your cooking experience easier, but also a whole lot more fun. Don't forget to check the product links in the description below and subscribe to Tech Up for more amazing gadget reviews. Let's get started. Number 1, corn stripper. Peeling corn can be a messy and time-consuming task, but the corn stripper is here to save the day. This handy gadget removes corn kernels from the cob in seconds with minimal effort. Imagine preparing fresh corn salads, salsas, or even cornbread without the hassle of manually removing kernels. Just place it over the cob, twist, and watch as the kernels fall neatly into the container. It's compact, easy to clean, and perfect for meal prepping or making fresh corn dishes. With the corn stripper, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Grab yours here. Number 2, Zulay Premium Apple Corer. Next up is the Zulay Premium Apple Corer. If you love snacking on apples or preparing apple-based desserts, this tool is a must-have. With a sturdy stainless steel design, it cores apples with a simple push and twist. No more struggling with knives or uneven cuts, and it's perfect for creating uniform apple slices for pies, tarts, or fruit platters. It's fast, efficient, and safe, even for kids to use under supervision. Plus, it works on pears and other fruits too. Check it out here. Number 3, Avocado Slicer. Say goodbye to the hassle of cutting and scooping avocados with the Avocado Slicer. This 3-in-1 gadget cuts, pits, and slices avocados effortlessly. Its ergonomic design ensures safety and precision, making it an essential tool for avocado toast lovers and guacamole enthusiasts. Think of all the time you'll save during breakfast or party prep. With its durable design and versatility, this slicer will quickly become one of your go-to kitchen tools. Order yours here. Number 4, Gannk 3-in-1 Peeler. Peeling vegetables just got a lot easier with the Gannk 3-in-1 Peeler. This versatile tool offers 3 functions in one: a straight peeler, a julienne slicer, and a grater. Whether you're peeling potatoes, creating zucchini noodles, or shredding cheese for a dish, this peeler has you covered. Its sharp blades and ergonomic handle make it efficient and comfortable to use. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to store, making it perfect for small kitchens. Find it here. Number 5, Popcorn Popper. Who doesn't love fresh homemade popcorn? The Popcorn Popper lets you enjoy your favorite snack without the mess of stovetop cooking or the chemicals in microwave bags. Made from durable, heat-resistant silicone, it's easy to use. Just add kernels, fold the lid, and pop it in the microwave. It's dishwasher safe and perfect for movie nights at home or healthy snacking. You can customize your popcorn with your favorite seasonings, from buttery classics to spicy blends. Grab it here. Number 6, Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel. If pizza is your go-to comfort food, the Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel is a game changer. Unlike traditional pizza cutters, this wheel provides a clean, effortless cut every time. Its ergonomic design ensures a firm grip, and the compact size makes it easy to store. Plus, it comes with a blade cover for added safety, making it a family-friendly choice. Whether it's for homemade pizzas or reheating your favorite delivery slices, this tool is both practical and stylish. Get it here. Number 7, GreenSaver Herb Keeper. Tired of herbs wilting in the fridge after just a few days? The GreenSaver Herb Keeper extends the life of your fresh herbs by providing optimal humidity and airflow. Simply place your herbs inside, add a bit of water to the reservoir, and store it in the fridge. It's perfect for parsley, cilantro, basil, and even asparagus. Imagine never having to throw away wilted herbs again. This gadget is a game changer for anyone who loves cooking with fresh ingredients. Check it out here. Number 8, Advanced Oil Sprayer. Control your oil usage with the Advanced Oil Sprayer. This gadget is ideal for cooking, baking, and grilling, allowing you to evenly coat your pans and food with just the right amount of oil. Whether you're roasting vegetables or grilling meats, the sprayer ensures even coverage without excess oil. It's easy to refill, doesn't clog, and works with olive oil, vinegar, and even soy sauce. It's a healthier way to cook without compromising on flavor. Order yours here. Number 9, Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Chopping vegetables can be time-consuming, but the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper makes it a breeze. This multifunctional gadget comes with interchangeable blades for chopping, slicing, and dicing. It's perfect for meal prep, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Plus, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Imagine prepping an entire week's worth of veggies in just minutes. It's a must-have for anyone who loves cooking but hates the prep work. Find it here. Number 10, Dream Cooker. Last but not least, the Dream Cooker is your all-in-one solution for making delicious, healthy meals. This multi-cooker can steam, slow cook, and even bake all in one device. Whether you're making soups, stews, or desserts, the Dream Cooker delivers consistent results with minimal effort. It's perfect for busy individuals who want to prepare meals quickly without compromising on quality. Its sleek design and user-friendly controls make it a standout addition to any kitchen. Check it out here. And there you have it, 10 kitchen gadgets that will revolutionize your cooking experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these tools are designed to make your life easier and your meals more enjoyable. Be sure to check out the links in the description to grab your favorites and support our channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest gadget reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching Tech Up, and we'll see you in the next video.